On 6 speeders, we're here a little bit different this time. I'm kind of excited because I'm finally at my friend's garage and he offered to do some work to this awesome Scion FR-S. As you all might recall, I finally got some coilovers in, and sadly, since that's been very, very cold, one of my buddies offered to put them on, so I'm very, very grateful. Y'all are thinking, you know, come on, Eric, you know what you're doing. You know that you know how to put on coilovers and good stuff like that. You know how to do your own work to your own car. Short answer, I do. It's just sadly right now I don't have the time or the space to do it. And when my buddy said, hey, I'm willing to do it for a good price, I couldn't turn it down. And hey, I'm also supporting a local business and he's supporting me in a way. So I'm very, very happy with his work and what he does. He's always helped me out in so many different ways, whether it's changing up my spark plugs or whatever. But this is Mischief's garage. Pretty awesome people, very, very nice here in the, you know, Midwest area. Always help out with everything with car owners and the car community, and I'm very, very grateful to have them. So that is what Mischief's Garage's logo looks like. So I just got done dropping off the car to Mischief Garage. Huge shout out to them again. Like I said, I would try to do it by myself, but the problem is I don't have the room or the time to do it because things are just crazy around this time of month. The end of the year always hits me with random stuff, but it's right now getting done right now as we're speaking, and I'm very, very grateful to these guys because they've helped me out with everything. And huge shout out to all you guys. We went with TEIN Flex Z's, so stay tuned for what the car will look like and everything good like that. So hopefully here in the next few days I'll get it back, get it aligned, and we can definitely do a review on the coilovers, what it looks like, how much I dropped it, everything good like that. So don't forget to press that subscribe button. Come email me at 6speeders2019@gmail.com. Also come follow me on Instagram, SmithEM2000. And last but not least, don't forget to smash that like and press that subscribe because the build is just getting started and I'm very, very excited. So thank you guys so much.